Hi everybody, Lori here from Razor's Edge Hair Salon and Wig Boutique in Timmins, Ontario. Of course I lose my light just as I'm coming on. I just received a few wigs from Rene of Paris, so I figured I'd show you those. I'm gonna unbox as I go. I'm in the back here, it's on the dark side, jeez. I guess I have no light. Okay, so this is Alva. Isn't she beautiful? The color is Moonstone. It's like a beautiful whitish silver. Let me just show you the back. Just gonna see if I can. I had my leg going just before I came on. It's frustrating. This is the back. Alva is so beautiful. She came out a few years ago. She's a very popular wig. She's a basic cap. But again, this color, Moonstone, I absolutely love. Very fashion forward color. This is the inside. Basic cap, breathable. You can see the air comes in. So again, Alva in the color Moonstone. Now I'm going to show you Alva in chocolate frost rooted. This is the beautiful chocolate frost rooted. So it's got a little bit of highlights in it. Just a tiny little root. Again, basic cap, same little wig, just different color.
She painted, eh? Yeah, I know she painted. Yeah, she switched up the wig. Yeah.
Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So chocolate frost rooted is this color.
There you go. So we'll dry it and all that, and we'll see if it needs more texturizing.
Show you the back. So again, Alva, chocolate frost rooted. Now all the magic with wigs happens at the roots. If you want a little bit more height, just run your fingers through and see how easy that is to lift up a bit. Or if you like it flatter, you bring it flatter. But mind you, Alva's got some permatease. So it's not going to be flat. If you like a flat wig, this wouldn't be for you. But if you like a little bit of height, I personally love my Noriko wigs. They have some nice height to them. Next one is one I used to have years ago. I haven't brought her in a long time. It's Scorpio. Basic cap. Scorpio, I believe, is even available in the mono top now. This is Cherry Cola. It's always been a cute little wig. I just haven't thought of bringing her in for a long time. It's got the Velcro and adjusters, so if you need it to make it a little bit bigger or smaller. This is the color Cherry Cola. Isn't that a pretty color? So this is Scorpio. It's got a nice little wispy bang. Whereas Alva, the bang was a bit longer. Easy to cut in. A bit more if you wanted to, but you can side sweep it. Whereas Scorpio is a little bit of a tighter bang. And this is a smaller wig. So if you have a smaller circumference, you'd find it comfortable. Mind you, it does stretch nicely. I got crooked glasses here. It does stretch nicely. Isn't that cute? Really cute color. And bobs don't go out of style, right? Okay, next one is Kade. K-A-D-E. In the color Melted Marshmallow. Kade's got a little bit of a wave to her. Lace front and mono part. So if you like a little bit flatter, this can be a little bit, doesn't have the permatease that the other ones I just finished showing you have. Hi Sheila. So this is Kade from Noriko. Doesn't she just have a beautiful wave to her? This is straight out of the box, not shaken or anything.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. Melted marshmallow. Let me just show you the back. can see a little bit of a wave you can lift up. And being monotop, if you want to bring a little bit back, it's gonna look like your scalp. Let me just take you to a little bit of a different light so you can see that color a little bit better. This is melted marshmallow. I just love that color from Rene of Paris. A little bit of a darker going to almost a platinum on the end. And those just wavy wigs are so in also. So again, this is Kade and melted marshmallow. So the next one I'm going to show you is Briar and Sparkling Mocha Rooted. Now if you want to compare both colors, out of curiosity, sometimes it's hard to tell on a swatch. You can see the Sparkling Mocha is so pretty. It's got a little bit of brown in it. Again, a beautiful wave. So if I hold those two wigs, they're similar. Mind you, this one's a little bit longer. So Kade's a little bit longer than what Briar is. Similar wave pattern, which is so popular these days, that just that slight wave. And it's a little lighter in the front, so your lace really blends in well. You're not noticing it. So this Briar Sparkling Mocha Rooted.
She had long hair. She came in last...
I've got the hairdresser in the back there doing haircuts, and we have people in the hallway, so that's what you're hearing in the background is they're chit-chatting. Is that cute? Look, and it's not thick at all. Just so beautiful. You know, walk around town with that. My goodness, a person would never know. And look, it's flatter here. And this is the root. Look how natural it looks. Beautiful. I love how they did the lighter in the front. Again, you can tie it back, have some fun with it, you know. So, show you the back. This is the back. Just a nice little wave, a little bit more length. I really do like these wigs that have. It's so popular. How many people I do haircuts and I just give them curl that little bit of a wave in there. So Sparkling Mocha Rooted. Show you the color again. It's one of their newer colors. I just love it. It's like blonde, and I gotta look a little bit closer. Like brown and some blonde in there. A few combination blonde, blondes. Next one is Zane. I have two Zanes. I've got one in candy brown. Zane in candy brown long root. Isn't that a nice color too? Now again, another one lace front mono part. They've really come out with a lot of new styles, new looks, you know. Noriko was always known for permatease, but those new styles they're coming in with, it's not permatease. And a lot of my customers in here love that wave. Isn't that a nice combination of brown? Look at that. Oh my goodness, another beautiful one. I'm really pleased with these new wigs I got in. I'm also going to review them all individually. Not today, I'm busy in the salon there, but I'll definitely get individual reviews of those. You can see a little closer. This is your lace front. Let me just get you a little closer. Again, really well done. You're not seeing that lace. You can pull it all back, put a little clip. Look how natural that looks. You can tuck your hair in. Have some fun with it. Make it your own, you know. Just show you the back again. So I just came on for the unboxing. I have someone coming in shortly, and I'm gonna have a quick lunch before. But it's nice to drop in, see some new style, right?
I was happy to see you that you're, you know, up and it around.
So this one is also melted marshmallow. I'm partial to melted marshmallow. This is again lace front, mono part, just like that. It's the same way I just show you, just a different color. I find it so fashion forward, this color, you know. You want to know what new fashions are coming out? Just look at the wigs now, how they've come a long ways, you know. This is her lace front. So this doesn't have as the light blonde because of the root to the melted marshmallow. But again, look how nicely made this is. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let me just show you the back. This is the back. So again, this was Zane in melted marshmallow. Again, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate that. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. You take care. Okay, bye. Have a great week. Bye.